Hello my friends, I'm Dr. Nitro and this is my workshop. And today on my workbench I have interesting guitar for interesting project. And let's see what it is. Here guys, it's a Fender. Really nice looking guitar. It smells like a nitro, or it smells the case. One of my friends asked me to make a project John Frusciante Stratocaster, and I said, yeah, why not? Let's do this. So guys, the whole process will be in next series, so subscribe for this channel to stay in tune, click the bell button to stay in tune, and check my Patreon. There you can find soon a whole process of this project. John Frusciante Stratocaster copy. I need to try this guitar before I will disassemble it. So I'm not Strat guy, but I like Stratocasters. I have built several Strats, but I cannot catch the vibe of Stratocaster. It's not for me, maybe. But in this autumn I played a really great Strat in Guitar Point. This was 64 3-color 3-tone sunburst, and that Strat was awesome, really awesome, with such sticky notes like has Les Paul. And not every Strat has such options like sticky notes and playability. I think I found something special. This is another one, 64 Strat. This is the best. Wow, I love it. Yeah guys, I love Les Pauls, but I really like good Strats. I know 3 good Strats that have my friend, and I played vintage Strat that was really great. tuned, but I can say this really nice sounding resonance. So, wow, I can say that it's really a really good instrument. Really, it's light, it has flat sound neck, perfect, very springy, and long sustain, long resonance, a really great resonance, great playability, but I need maybe more low action for my for my playability. But really nice instrument, yeah. So stay in tune, check my Patreon, subscribe for this channel, and rock and roll for all. See you soon.